Watagwan everybody, and welcome back to Jumanji. Today we're going to be looking at the structural isomer for C6H14. And structural isomers are isomers that have the same molecular formula, C6H14, but the atoms will be arranged in different order. So C6H14 is a formula for hexane. Let's draw that out. And every point will be a carbon, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's easy to count the hydrogen if you think of them like this. 3 on the ends, and then 2 in the middle, right? Because carbon needs 4 bonds. So we have 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? So for the first isomer, just pretend you're picking up this bond, right? And you're gonna move it somewhere else. You're not gonna put it on this end because it would just look the same, right? So let's draw this part out first, right? And we're gonna pick this up and move it here, right? That's your first isomer. We will do the same thing, but we're going to put it here instead. Right? Now recognize that if you put it here and here, it's the same place because this can be number 1 carbon depending on the position of your functional group, right? Now let's pretend we're picking up this bond and moving it around. We're going to take it, let's redraw this skeleton first. We can pick it up, right, and put it here, right? Or we can also attach it to this carbon as well. Right? And again, recognize putting it here and putting them here would be the same thing. Now let's go ahead and name them. Here we have hexane. Here we have 2 methyl, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane as the longest carbon chain, right? So we have a 2 methyl pentane here. Here we have a 3 methyl pentane because this or this can be number 1. Here we have a 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, right? And here we have a 1, 2, 2, 2 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane again. Also recognize that this is your neoform because but for your number 2 carbon, we have a continuous carbon chain, right? So you would call this neo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 neohexyl. This would be your iso, right? And we call it isohexane because you have a methyl group on your number 2 carbon. And this will be your N group. We have a continuous unbranched carbon chain.